I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Gianna Lauren Beauty. Today I have an awesome surprise for you guys. I came out with my first ever makeup collection. It is Gianna Lauren Beauty's collection and it is absolutely beautiful. So here is my first ever palette. As you can see, the cover is absolutely beautiful. Yes, this is me on the cover. These are my eyes, a makeup look I did. This palette is called Here Comes the Glam. And I'm going to open it. And inside there are 8 shadows that are very highly pigmented. The texture of the shadows are very creamy, and then they obviously go on as a powder. The reason why I chose these colors was because I wanted something that could be good for every day, can be great for glamming up, and then also for brides out there who want to do their own makeup for their day of, or even just when I take care of my clients. So I was really thinking of that type of clientele in what they would want in their palette. A lot of brides will use pinks and champagnes and then neutral browns to bring depth to their eye. So that was why I chose these colors. They are absolutely beautiful. Inside the palette comes an application brush. And then it also has a full-size large mirror, which is perfect when you need a mirror to look into when doing your makeup. Some things I wanted to say about the shadows. Obviously, I said that they were creamy, but a lot of that creaminess comes from the jojoba oil that is inside the shadows. Also, another really cool thing about my makeup line is that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and sulfate and paraben-free. So you know that you are getting quality items when you purchase Gianna Lauren Beauty. My second product is my lip gloss. This is a high shine, highly pigmented lip gloss. This one also has jojoba oil in it as one of the ingredients, and that is why it makes your lips so moisturized throughout the whole day. This is my favorite lip gloss. I've been wearing it every single day, and my lips, it is very cold outside, it is winter time, and my lips have not been chapped ever since I started wearing this lip gloss. If you would like to purchase my products, they will be online at shoppies.co. I'll put the link in the bio. So there you have it. That is my collection. If you want to continue watching this video to see my makeup tutorial, please keep watching. I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm going to dust this color all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with this little bit of a darker color. I'm going to use a smaller applicating brush so that I can condense the shadow. And I'm going to place this right in my crease area. And now I'm going to blend the shadow out until there's no harsh lines. The next color I'm going to use in this palette is the darkest brown. Now you have to be careful to not put too much on your brush and make sure you tap it out before using so that it doesn't come out too dark. We're just going to put this right in the V of the eye. We're going to take that same color we just used and we're going to put it on the lower lash line. The next color I'm going to use is this champagne color right here. I just want some shimmer to my eyes, so I'm going to place this right on my lid and also in my inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to use this color right under my brow bone. On my nose and down. This color works great as a highlighter, so that is why I use it as my highlighter. I'm also going to use that same color on my cheeks. Just gonna take a fan brush and I'm gonna do it on my cheekbone. I'm going to take this Bad Gal Bang 24-hour pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. It is just a brown color, and I want to just really smoke out my eyes with it. So I'm going to go in between my lash line, or my lashes on my lash line. Also make sure to get it in your tight line, which your tight line is where your lashes, your top lashes are. Just pull this up and get the brown underneath there. And I'm just going to smoke it out. Next, I'm going to bring the pencil going down into the corners of my eyes. And that gives me like a nice cat eye. Next, we're gonna take some Kiss lashes. These are the Page Boy lashes. I'm going to trim them and then put them on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my lashes on and my mascara on, which really completes the eye look. The next thing I'm gonna do is put on my lip gloss. And this is definitely my favorite lip gloss. I've been wearing it every single day. Keeps my lips nice and moisturized. All right, there you have it. This is the final look. Just simple, smoky, glam eye. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please let me know if you want to see any more tutorials. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. I'm just kidding. I'll cut that out. That is... Okay, so I'm going to...
So my name is Mike.
Oh my God.